Hello there, Kitty King TV here, and I'm here with a quick guide on how to show everybody with Streamlabs OBS how to be able to play music without it saving to their VOD. Now, I know that because I tried a couple days ago, I know that OBS Studio has a thing that allows you a new update that allows you to play music without saving to the VOD. And I tried to do it with my Streamlabs OBS, but it turned out they didn't have it until recently. I guess they updated it because now, or I'm blind. Now they have an option to be able to do this, and I went ahead and thank God I tested it because before I tested it, I already made the video and I didn't even see if it worked correctly, and I would have completely done it wrong if I didn't test it. But here's just a quick guide how to be able to get and be able to play music on your stream, so your stream can hear it, you can hear it, but it won't save to the stream VOD using Streamlabs OBS. So you go ahead, open up your Streamlabs OBS. I'm going to make this real quick and easy so everybody can get to it. Open up your Streamlabs OBS. You go to your settings. You go to your output. You go to advanced. Make sure it's normally on basic or whatever. Make sure you go to advanced output. Under streaming, there's should be a little Twitch VOD check here that used to not be here before. And if you don't have it, possibly your Streamlabs needs update, but typically it automatically updates. I go ahead and play my audio track on track 1. This is what's going to everybody, what everybody's going to hear on the stream. This is it. Everybody will hear whatever's on audio track 1. This is what everybody will hear on the VOD, Twitch VOD track right here. So you go ahead and check this. And I set it to 6. You could set it to any other number, and we'll get you to how to uncheck and have it so it's not playing music. So once you have that checked, you want to decide what you're going to be playing your music from that you don't want your stream to hear. So to do that real quickly, I go ahead, open sound settings here, and I scroll down to app volume and device preferences. Now, any application, if you want to use Spotify, if you want to use just directly YouTube from your web browser or whatnot, you'll find if your web browser is open, it'll be here too. I have my GoXLR connected, and by default, they're all connected to system on my GoXLR, but I have a music slider that I went ahead and I connected Spotify to. So that's what my music's going to be outputting through. So to change that, you just click on the top one. The top one's going to be for what you hear. The bottom one's going to be for like microphone, where your microphone picks up or hears, or which microphone it comes out of. So you can go ahead, click that, choose whatever other system you're going to be playing your music from. My default is system through the GoXLR. If you have another slider like music or headphones or whatever, or directly through your monitor, however you want to do it, you'll just select that, and that'll be your optional one. Nobody will hear what will be on this music track here, so keep that in mind. Then you just click that, close that out. We go back to Streamlabs OBS, and I created a VOD music track here just by opening the plus here, adding audio output capture, and I just named it VOD music. So properties for this, VOD music here. So this is where it's going to be playing, whatnot. This is what they're not going to be able to hear. And to be able to just get this specific bar so people won't hear it, you click the little cogwheel here, settings, and don't mind this. This is just for recording and stuff. You find where your VOD music is, and you will click it so it's checked on 1, because everything that's on 1, everybody will be able to hear the stream, and you uncheck 6 because that's what's going to be saved on the VOD. So as long as your main volume stuff is checked on 6 and 1, everybody will be able to hear it, you'll be able to hear it, and it will stay on the VOD. Whatever is unchecked from 6, nobody will be able to hear it on the VOD. They'll be able to hear it on stream regularly, but they won't be able to hear it on the VOD. So that is my quick guide on how to do that. I hope it helped you guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any questions about it. Thank you guys for all the love and support. I hope this video really helped you out, guys. Please leave a like if it did, and consider subscribing. It would really help me out a ton, and I'd super appreciate it. And yeah, I will catch you guys next time. See ya.